Everybody knows that blueberries are healthy, but why exactly and how many you should be eating daily? That's a bit of a mystery, so let's talk about it. Welcome to Expedition Health. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, the compound that gives them their amazing deep blue color. These compounds help fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to aging and chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. There are multiple studies that are linking regular blueberry consumption with improved brain function and better heart health, and even reduced blood pressure. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that a daily dose of 150 grams improved endothelial function and lowered systolic blood pressure in people with metabolic syndrome. Which brings us to the sweet spot. The sweet spot seems to be around half to 1 cup per day, which is roughly between 75 and 150 grams. And you don't need more than that to get the benefits. But of course, the more you eat, the better. So, let's meet in the middle. Let's say that the ideal consumption of blueberries per day is around 100 grams. So let's talk about what can we get from 100 grams of blueberries. First, there's the boring stuff. 57 calories, around 14.5 grams of carbs, 0.7 grams of protein, and 0.3 grams of fat. But nobody cares about that. What we do care about with blueberries are their micronutrients. So 100 grams of blueberries will give us around 11% of our daily recommended intake of vitamin C, 16% of our daily recommended intake of vitamin K1, 17% of manganese, 4% of vitamin E, 7% of copper, and a small amount of B vitamins. But the most important part is that they are loaded with polyphenols, especially anthocyanins, which don't show up in nutrition labels, but they play a key role in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. And those are the ones that are making blueberries special. If you're wondering between fresh and frozen blueberries, don't. They have almost identical nutritional value. Keep in mind though, heating them, like baking, can reduce some antioxidants. That said, they're still a good source of fiber and vitamins even when cooked. So yes, a blueberry muffin still counts. An important thing to note is that you should buy blueberries organic if possible. Blueberries sadly rank high on the pesticide list, also known as the Dirty Dozen. We have a video about the Dirty Dozen and the Clean 15, I'm gonna link it in the description. Also, try to store them in the fridge and wash only before eating to prevent mold. So, in conclusion, blueberries aren't hype. They are one of the few superfoods that truly live up to the name. Add them to your daily routine and your brain, heart, and taste buds will thank you. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more no-fluff health insights. And I'll see you in the next one.